My name is Sacharan. Presently, I am pursuing my BTech in G. Pule College of Engineering and Technology. I am presenting my team in Inframind contest, and we are two members participating in this contest. My partner is Sainthin. We are both pursuing BTech from the same college and the same branch, that is Electrical and Electronic Engineering. First of all, we will discuss about the problem statement.
Now, the given problem is automation for DSD. Problem statement: Skyscraper Solution is an audit firm. The employees of Skyscraper Solution are extremely friendly with emails, which is their main mode of communication. Due to friendliness to email, the employee base reports, issue or place requests for IT hardware or software via email. The email volume is about 85% of total contact to service desk. The email reads service desk. The service desk then takes following steps: creates a tickets or service request, resolves the issue or service request based on providing knowledge base. If the issue or service request is beyond the scope of knowledge base, they assign the ticket to the correct resolving group. As the service matured, the IT manager identified that 70% of the issues or requests reported to service desk have very simple tasks and can be automated. He also noticed from the point of reporting the issue to be same getting resolved, it take more than 5 hours. He realized that issue which should have been resolved immediately was getting delayed resolution as there in human intervention. There has decreased the satisfaction level of user base. Also, this is the waste of human resource at service desk who can be skilled to do more meaningful work. Another challenge he faced with, with is that his company was expanded in non-English speaking countries while his IT team can understand only English. So he had three options. To re- the three options are to replace the current team with the team members could understand multiple languages. These are the this has two problems. It is difficult to find such resource. He loses a team which has been with him during thick and thin and experience the team has with the company business. Next point. Add IT teams in every city, an expensive option. Introduce language translators.
Let us understand the problem statement. Skyscraper Solution is an audit firm for IT's hardware and software issues reported by employees. It is used to follow the traditional method of approach for resolving the issues and manually reads the email and creates appropriate request and resolves the issue based on the knowledge base. If the issue is not reported previously or inappropriate, then the email has to send to the other group for resolution, which involves a huge manpower and even the small and minor issues. Repeated request, which is a very waste of time. It is a waste of time, waste of money, waste of labor. To reduce the manpower and the time, we can change the traditional method to automation using machine learning languages with programming languages where the repeated issues will be resolved automatically using knowledge base without involvement of manpower, so that the demands can be met with reduced time and money. Details of technology used in automation. Programming languages like C, Python with machine learning languages with library functions inbuilt. Required software and hardware. Computers with inbuilt Python and library functions like SMTP library and Google Trans, incident management tools, service request management tools, email tools, language conversions tools. By automation, we achieved cost saving. For an average of 100 employees and 100 hardware tools are involved in IT support, we can reduce the cost by 80% or more than that by the using of automation. What is an automation? Automation can be performed in many ways in various industries. For example, in information technology domain, a software script can test a software product and produce a report. There is also various software tools available in market which can generate code for an application. The users can only need to configure the tool and define the process. In other industries, automation is greatly improving productivity, saving time, and cutting the costs. Automation, automation is evolving quickly, and business intelligence in applications a new form of high quality automation. In the technology domain, the impact of automation is increasing rapidly both in software and hardware machine layer. However, despite advantages in automation, some manual intervention is always devised even if the tool can perform most of the tasks. This is the complete idea of automation. Now the software used and how it is used is explained by Sainithan.
Hi, this is Sanithin, and we are here to discuss the problem statement given in the contest Inframinds and to give a solution to it. Let's take an overview of the problem. We have given a company named Skyscraper where 85% of the service is through their emails, and in this company they have been using the traditional way of sorting with the help of manpower, and this company now wanted to reduce the manpower in the service desk area and use them in a useful way, and they would like to prepare a solution for it by building intelligent email responder. The main requirements of the intelligent email responder is: 1, it should read the mails from the user, and second, it should create a appropriate ticket. And appropriate ticket in the sense it should be able to divide the given email into two sections like incident and service. If issues are received, it should be able to give incident ticket, and if any requests are sent through emails, it should be able to give the service ticket. And it should resolve the problems accordingly by incident and service. And the company has expanded globally, and it has so many customers from different languages, but that mainly employees understand only English language. So the problems from the different countries, the problems from the different users from different countries are forwarded through mails in their own languages. In this case, the company has thought of using a language conversion tool to convert any language to English such that the employees can understand and solve the problem. And this third constant the next constant is we should give the solution. We should be able to give the solution in their own language. Means after employees solving the problem, they will give the solution to the software, and the software will convert that into their own language and mail the consumer. And the last, it should give immediate response to the user, giving the entire details of the employee, the employee which has been assigned to the issue, and the duration of the time by which the problem can be solved. Now let's go to the architecture. The architecture is as follows. We will receive a mail from the customer. This mail is received to the group mail ID of the company. And then we will check whether the received mail is in English or not. If the received mail is in English, we will go to the next step. If it's not, the language conversion tool will convert the language to English and forwards it. Now, after checking of language, we will check for the keywords in the subject. If we can find the keywords in subject, then the program will go in a linear way. or else we will the mails where we cannot able to find the keywords are sent to the default resolving group. If we find the keywords, these keywords are categorized by based on the keywords we will categorize the mails and separate them into two sections: incidents and service. In incident we will find all the issues of the user. In service we will find all the requests of the user. And after receiving the issues and requests of the user, we will calculate the time to solve the issues and we will calculate the time to solve the requests. And we will check for the initial language where the mail sent from the user is in English or in any other language. If the mail sent by the user is in English, then we will trigger mail to him. We'll trigger mail to the user with the entire employee details, the person who is handling his case, and the entire time or estimated time to solve the solution. If it is in either if it is the mail received is in other language, then again the language conversion tool will convert the solution or mails the customer in their own language with the entire employee details and the estimated time to solve the solution. Let's now go to the programming part. In this programming part, we have taken an Excel sheet with 5 sheets inside it, where sheet 1 consists of entire incident keywords, sheet 2 consists of entire service keywords, and sheet 3 consists of entire incident employee details, sheet 4 consists of entire service employee details, and sheet 5 consists of default service employee details. And in the program we have used mainly 4 library functions, where first library function is py.translate for language conversion, for the help of language conversion, and IMAP for taking input from the email server, and SMTP is the another library function to send emails with the help of Python through Gmail, and other two library functions like Excel write and Excel read. These two library functions are used to read data from Excel sheets. And now the program is as follows. We will initially take the mail from the Gmail account with the help of IMAP library function, by which we can read the mail from the Gmail, and this mail will be in the form of bits, and we have to convert these bits into strings. And after conversion of the bits into strings, we will check whether the received mail is in English or not. If the received mail is in English, then we will go to the next step. If it's not, then we will go to the language conversion tool with the help of py.translates functions. Will convert the entire mail to the English and go to the next step. And in this step we will check whether we will separate the mail into two parts, subject and the body. We will initially check in the subject whether we found to check the keywords. By searching the keywords in the subject, we can categorize the mails into two parts. And after this categorization and separation of the mails, the program will estimate the time of solving the problem or giving any service or solving the request, and it will take the data of entire employee details and the estimated time, approximate time of solving the problem and mails the entire data to the customer who has initially mailed him. and it will mail to the customer in the same language by the customer has mailed. Scope of automation. With the help of this program, around 80% of the solution of 80% of the issue can be automated. Conclusion. After automation of mails with intelligent automatic responder, Skyscraper company solutions would have saved time, money, and unusual flooding of emails.